Wish you happy new year. Wish you happy new year, everyone. We will do A to Z work of borewell. This is called powerful pendulum. J. Selvaraj, online water pipe diviner. Whatever the job, we have to start with the puja is nice. We have to call God, let us work with us. The job will be easy. This is work is we are try to do borewell scanning. In normally whatever the job, wherever if you do scanning we can get clear idea about the borewell. This is very old borewell, is coming dirty water.
ಇದೆನಾ
Without scanning
ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
we
ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ
cannot
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
do anything. We have done, we have finished. I'll show you the full CD of the borewell. Sorry to say, this particular video, if you seeing new person, they cannot understand what is in the borewell. Normally from the scanning we can find out how many feet casing is there. This borewell, the water level is 10 feet, not clear. In general, somewhere we can see the clear water, where is the stone is stuck, where is the silt is starting, where is the motor is erection, what is the borewell depth, we can say everything. But in this borewell there is lot of what you call dust is covered. They not used very long back this particular borewell. This particular borewell located in Indiranagar, Bangalore. What I'm trying to say means you can hear my speech only. The background of video you cannot understand, but must and should have to do the scanning. Scanning is very important work of part of borewell. We can see the water flow. Normally main we want to know what is the borewell depth of everything. Somewhere the customer knows the depth how much they did. Somewhere they cannot, they don't know the depth. They newly buy the house, maybe their father did the borewell. Okay, first what we are doing the scanning, let them note in the notebook what they we are seeing. Say in the particular places water is coming, the particular places motor is erected. See here pipe is bulged, see here the wire is cut it off, see here is some stone is there. Like that so many details will come in the scanning. After finishing the scanning we came to know what we have to do in this borewell. Generally we can do flushing. This borewell we have to do the flushing, then we have to erect the filter pipe at this stage. But after doing cleaning, what we'll do, normally every borewell, for example 500 feet borewell depth is there, we are keeping the motor 50 feet gap. Why we are keeping the motor 50 feet gap? But the water source is coming 99% water, 1% mud will come, that will cover, it will take 5 years. Okay, so what we have to do, any problem comes immediately call the borewell guy, let them clear. Suppose you are facing the problem today, you are contacting after 6 months, after 3 months, then the problem may not be solved. What may not be solved? For example, see the 500 feet borewell, 450 you erected, the mud is covered till the motor level. Motor levels cover means what will come? The indication of coloring water will come, then water will get stopped. That means the water is covered till the motor, the pump side. Okay, then that won't come. Water how will come if we close the mud? So if you call the borewell guy, let them, they'll come, they will remove the motor. If you leave like that, what will cover? It will cover the mud more than that motor level. See, 500 borewell, 450 I erected, it is covered. How much? Say 400 feet. So 50 feet covered. So we can take out motor with the risk. In case the motor is covered mud 200 feet, 150 feet, we cannot take the motor. What we have to do that time? We have to do the motor pipe, we have to cut it off, we have to remove the only pipe and cable, then we have to do the rod cleaning, then we have to erect the filter pipe when we recovered. That is a way. See, whatever, whoever, okay, if you face any problem, if you intimate immediately to the borewell person, let them, they will come and do it. We can get the clearance. Okay, all borewells, there is borewell cleanings have to do is not necessary. We have to see the condition of the borewell. If the water is pure, sometimes the wire may be bulged, wire may be cut it off, the borewell life will be over. Normally the new motor they are giving 2 years warranty. 2 years warranty means it may come 3 years also, 4 years also, how you are using it. Generally, as per my knowledge, when you use a motor, you should not put the motor on more than 1 hour, half an hour and all. First you have to see 15 minutes, you have to try. Water is coming, then you extend for half an hour. Sorry, you may be getting boring, but this will be useful thing for how to maintain the borewell. The background is no useful. Why? Mean dust is covered, you cannot see anything. Okay, see, generally they are keeping automatic with a timer. Okay, that will be okay. If the water is there, it will run on half an hour, then we have to give the gap. If it is commercial, if you run more than 1 hour, the water is get dry, then motor will get burned. So for that case, what we have to do, if you switch on the motor, at least minimum on half an hour you run, then after 2 hours you have to give the gap, then you can take half an hour. Somewhere if it is more than 3-inch water, you can use 2 hours also. Why? Means continually the flow will come. If it is 1 inch, 1.5 inch water, you have to use half an hour, 20 minutes only. You have to give the gap. Then regularly you have to switch on the motor. You have to take it. You are not need not to use the borewell water, means you have to give for garden at least once a week. Also you have to switch on the motor. Okay, if you leave like that, it won't work. Okay, better you can try to do direct way. Automatic is not recovered. If there is owner is there in the house, they can use. If it is tenant is there, they have to put the automatic, then will be better. In general, compressor is no need of zero maintenance. If you use, the current bill will come more. If it is water is dry also, no problem. Okay, but the main drawback is the sound will come. But when you're comparing this one submersible pump, this is what you call zero maintenance. Submersible pump using is little difficult only. Why means when the water is not there, if you dry in the dry run, there will be problem. Okay. uh, every borewell you have to erect the casing pipes is not necessary. When the need only we have to see. For how we will see, you have to see with the camera only. Still full 6.5-inch dia is there, or somewhere is coming 12-inch, or somewhere is coming 2 feet, somewhere is coming 6.5-inch. That we have to see in the scanning, then only we can understand. See, when you listening this one, you may not be understand. Okay, if you are really interested, you has to call me 9035278897. I am in Bangalore, Kamanahalli. I am in the field more than 30 years. Okay, if you want any clarification, you can call us how to maintain the borewell. Okay, if it is in Bangalore limits, we can do the service. Out of Bangalore limits, we cannot able to do that. How will come? Even in my area, Kamanahalli will be, especially I can do any work. If it is little distance, I try to avoid. But I have did in Tumkur, near Sintamani, near Kolar. Once I did, just for getting publicity I did, but regularly I cannot come and do it. Even the Osur also I did, then the Chittur also I have done the work. Nearby I covered Mysore also I have done some work. Okay, we'll see. Who are seeing this video, try to subscribe. After finishing the video, I put in this one how we have to take the hose, on what way we have to take, that also I given. Okay, actually whatever the doing of the job, I am putting in the YouTube. Public has to see. If we get some idea, the better to do, they can do themselves. Thanks to seeing my videos patiently. All is well. We are doing drilling, divining, borewell camera scanning, borewell cleaning, borewell recharge, borewell desilting, filter pipe erection, borewell maintenance, plumbers. All type of job we can do in Bangalore limits only. Okay, we'll see you, we'll meet you another one nice video. Thanks to all.